Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make a Schoolgrounds type game in mobile. So this is part 1, making the floor and the joystick. So create new project, install it, test Schoolgrounds. Just gotta wait. Oh my gosh, why is it taking too long, bro? Oh my gosh. Oh my god, this is too loading. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay, so after you made that, create a 3D scene. We'll just call it root. Make a mesh instance. 3D mesh, and then new this box mesh. Right now, click on this. Change what size you want. 10. I'm gonna do 50 since it's the size of the Schoolgrounds. Then after this, just click on Asset Lab. This is the requirements. First, can a texture pack? It's okay. Oh no. No, just do K. Then just find this prototype textures. Download. Then install. Alright. Now that's the case. You gotta do this, by the way. You can finally make the texture of the floor. So first, do standard material 3D. Click on this. Click this. Go down until you see albedo. Texture. Load. And then add-ons. Click on this. I'm gonna use this. No. Oh. What happens if I do this? Oh my god. I'll just do green since it looks like the color. And then this one. Go down till you see UV1. Click triplanar on. And then scale it. Oh, what? Nope. No. Then scale. Like that. Okay. Let's change it. I'm just gonna change it to 0.5. Then select it. Now you made it. Okay. Now we just click on this. Mesh, create collision shape. Static body child. Single convex. What? Yeah. Oh, wait, guys. Oh, guys, I'm sorry. That actually made you give an error. I'll just click on it. You want? Just go. Just gonna do static body charging. Like that, yeah. Then let's make it. First need the mesh instance, capsule match, and do this. And after this, mesh instance, character body, 3D. Oh hell no! Wait, no. Not like that. Not like that, bro. Not like that. Okay. I keep messing up. And then like mesh, add capsule match. Like that. Alright, like that. And then collision shape 3D. Capsule. Move up.
Say hi, Alvin. Wanna see Ellie?
We also have to add the camera so that
Wonder what Alvin on us.
okay. Oh, okay. Ah, my gosh. Okay. Okay. And then let's just like change the material for this too. Let's make the albedo one. Hold on. Let's make the albedo again. No. Just load it on. I'm gonna choose red since it's my favorite color. Triplanar. Now do your favorite. We save that scene. Just click. Rename it to player. Now we can finally put this. Now we can finally put it here. Now file system, player, then instant tape. Okay. Okay.
I will invite you guys.
Oh. Let's see. Map. Oh. No. Oh my god. Okay. Wait. We are missing something. This and this.
How many days do you live, Lovely?
Let's see. Okay, okay, okay.
I'm gonna invite you guys.
Now you just go back to asset lab and then do joystick. Choose this one. Virtual joystick. No, I know not. What? Oh, oh. Wait. No. Not that one. This one. Download it. Really? Gosh, okay. I don't know. I don't know. Okay, I'm just gonna install it. We're done. And then we add the joystick. Hold on. Virtual joystick. Then virtual joystick enchanted. Then oops, we forgot something. Let's see if it works now. Alright, it works now. Do we follow in the map? Alright. And then I don't know how to make the camera rotation. Can someone give me scripts for the camera rotation? Leave it in the comments. Wait. Let me just. That's better. Alright. Someone give me scripts so that I can put it on my character, but so I can put in my player scripts. So leave it in the comments so that I can make a part 2 on how to make